What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Welcome back, and if you're new to this channel, here we do simple food recipes and tips, food gadget, kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and much more. And today we are going to be making a garlic and Italian herb turkey this year, family. If you're new, what you want to do when you take your turkey out, you want to take it out and you want to clean it thoroughly. Alright? A couple things you want to know. You're going to have a couple things that come inside of it. You're going to have a heart, liver, and you're going to have the neck. This is not what you think it is. This is a neck. Alright? I keep the neck, I put it in my greens or in my cabbage. That's what we're making this year. I'm also going to be showing you our tikogumen or our Ethiopian cabbage that we'll be eating this year. So stay tuned to that. Alright, on the turkey, you're going to see this red dot here that they put in here. That is an indication when the turkey may be done. They put it in the thickest part of the turkey, in the breast. But however, through my experience, if you put the turkey on a very bottom shelf and you cook it for 3 to 3.5 hours, your turkey will be done. Alright, but however, that is what the red dot is there for today. So today, family, I'm going to show you the herbs I use for my Italian herbs and for my Italian marinade. Alright, family, so my Italian for my Italian herbs, what I use, I have oregano, I use basil, thyme. I don't have a lot of thyme. I'm using thyme, and I'm using a half a tablespoon, by the way, family, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'm using a half a tablespoon per herb. This is rosemary, Marjoram, and I'm using parsley in this, family. That's a half a tablespoon apiece. And now I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of red chili peppers, or teaspoon. And I'm gonna use a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. We're also gonna use a whole 2 sticks of butter. We're going to give this a nice mix, family. And that smells wonderful. Another half a stick of butter in there. Let that melt. Time, family, we're going to cut up our vegetables that we're going to put inside of our turkey. Alright, now before, people used to put their stuffing inside the turkey, which technically, due to FDA reasons of foodborne illnesses or things like that, the food not getting cooked all the way, it was safer not to cook your stuffing inside. But I remember when I was younger, we used to eat our stuffing out of the turkey. We never got sick. However, the FDA advises not doing that. Alright, family, so now we got our Italian herb marinating, or Italian herbs marinating in butter. We're going to cut up our vegetables. We're going to smother our vegetables in our Italian herb marinade, and we're going to also inject our turkey as well. So enjoy the cutting montage. Alright, family, so now that we got our vegetables cut up, we're just going to transfer them over to our bowl here. Remember, clean as you go. Cleanliness is godliness, sorry. What I like to do, family, is take about tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. This is half tablespoon, so I know about 6 of these is 3 tablespoons. We're going to take about 3 tablespoons. I just like the smell. Alright, family, so now what you're gonna do, you can fold the wings back. Again, if you're new to it, All right, now real quick, family, if you do not have butcher's twine to tie the legs up, you can actually use dental floss. True story, you can use dental floss. And if you don't have dental floss, or if you don't have any butcher's twine, most time the turkey comes with a flap over the leg, and sometimes they leave that there for people who do like to have the legs tucked. But however, today, using butcher's twine. All right, for you, fam. Tie this up. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and paint. That's the favorite part of this whole video, is we get to paint our turkey with our Italian herb marinade. Alright? If you was wondering why I had the turkey turned the other way, sometimes the inside of the turkey don't look that much appealing, and presentation is everything, so I saved you guys from looking at something ugly. Food always doesn't look beautiful before it's cooked. It may be ugly right now, but like my dude Google says, it may be ugly right now, but wait until you'll see after this. Something he says, Google, he knows. Alright, family, so right now, this is what our Italian herb marinade look like. This is what our Italian herb marinade look like, family. It looks totally delicious. And come over here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna paint our turkey, family. Just as you see here. Don't be afraid. I'm gonna drizzle some of this. Something different to bring to the holidays, family. Make it delicious. Make it make the food a conversation, you know? How many of you have had an Italian herb turkey before? Let's go ahead. Get some more on there. Alright, family, now what we're gonna go ahead and do. So at this time, what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna inject our turkey with our Italian herb seasoning and our marinade. Alright, family, and all we're gonna do is we're just gonna inject our turkey on each side, the breast and the legs. We're gonna go ahead and get this leg. I already got the two legs. I already got the other leg and the other breast off camera. Sorry, the battery went dead. Alright, family, and the rest of this right here, this is flavor. And we're just gonna go ahead and generously put this on here, family. Yes, like I said, it may look ugly right now, but it'll look beautiful when it's done, family. Guarantee you. Again, you're gonna be making this your next holiday. What, Christmas is coming up? This is what you guys are gonna be making. Guarantee you're gonna impress everyone because you did this. All right, family. Look at that. Okay, family, so look at our beautiful turkey one more time, family. This is the garlic and Italian herb turkey we're gonna make this year. Now the last little thing that we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and put some salt in there. I'm gonna post a video on one of the tags or in the description below. I do have a video out there called the seasonings I use, I believe. And you guys will learn, and I will share with you guys how to make your own marinades, your own seasonings, which you like. Again, salt is only a flavor enhancer. So that Italian seasoning that you smell, I know you can smell it through your TV set or through your mobile phone right now. It smells beautiful. The salt is only a flavor enhancer. Yes. Just dribble a little bit of salt on there. Alright, family, and right now we're gonna put this on 3 hours and 30 minutes. Bottom shelf. Alright, family, so I will see you in the next hour, and we're gonna go ahead and baste our turkey then. Alright? Peace. Peace. All right, family. Look at that right there. Pull up on it. Yeah, let them hear it. That's what it's looking like now. Right now, I did say, all right, family. Now I did say an hour and a half. I meant to tell you, wait about an hour and 45 minutes before you pull it out. So we're gonna go ahead and baste it. Yes, fam. And right now we're basting the turkey. And if you're new to cooking, basting is all you're doing is taking the juices from the turkey and putting it on top of it. Taking the juices that it provides and putting it on top of your turkey, family. And if you just tuned in or you just fast forwarded, yes, this is our garlic and Italian herb turkey, family. That's it. Alright, family, so now that we went ahead and basted our turkey again, wait for an hour and 45 minutes. You don't want to keep taking your turkey out. So we're going to go ahead and put our turkey back into the oven. Bottom shelf. We had it out for about 2 minutes. So we're just going to put hour 45 back on there. Alright, family, and within an hour and 45 minutes, I'll get back at you. Peace. It's time to go ahead and get the turkey, family, and carve it. So let's see what we looking like. Alright, let's go ahead and pull it out, family. Alright, family, as you can see, this turkey looks beautiful, nice golden brown and beautiful. As you guys can see, the red dot just popped out. We're going to go ahead and cut it and see what we're looking like. Alright, family, going to go ahead and cut the breast. Ooh, listen to that crunch. Yes. Just trying to get a piece, family. And look at that. Look at that. Horrible cut, but it's all right though. Look how juicy that looks. All right, family, so look at that. Look how juicy that looks. Look at that. That looks beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test. I have the skin with the turkey. Delicious, juicy. Gonna love it. Oh. Alright, family, that was delicious. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. And share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 DDINS. And to our next food adventure. Peace.